I only want to eat tangerines this way, a quick and easy recipe. For this recipe, we're gonna need 5 peeled tangerines. Cut them in half, then put aside. In a bowl, add 1 egg, 50 grams of sugar, and stir. Also add 60 ml of oil, 100 ml of milk, and stir again. Take a moment to tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can send you a huge hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now add 170 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Stir until smooth. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love tangerines. Now in a pan on minimum heat, add 20 grams of butter and 20 grams of sugar. Keep stirring until sugar starts to caramelize. Then add the tangerine slices. And you guys, this is the perfect recipe for breakfast or an afternoon snack. Try it at home, then write in the comments what you think. After placing the tangerines, pour the dough on top of them and even it out with the spatula. Cover with the lid and let cook on minimum heat for 10 minutes. And our recipe is done. You just need to serve it and enjoy it. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna thank you all in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.